In today's video, I'm going to teach you set recurring transactions in QuickBooks. If you have invoices, bills, expenses, or journal entries that repeat on a regular schedule, setting them up as recurring transactions can save time and reduce errors. I'll walk you through the flow, explain key options, and share a few tips so everything runs smoothly. First, open QuickBooks and sign into the company you want to work with. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so your menus and tools are available. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, open the Settings menu. It's the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks window. This menu is where you manage lists, tools, and your company settings. From the Settings menu, choose Recurring Transactions. This opens your templates list. Think of this as your control center for anything that repeats. You'll see any existing templates here along with their type, schedule, and status, which makes it easy to track what's already automated. Now, select New. This tells QuickBooks you're creating a brand new template. You'll be prompted to choose the kind of transaction you want to automate. Pick the type that matches your workflow, like an invoice for a customer, a bill for a vendor, an expense for a regular charge, or a journal entry for periodic adjustments. Choosing the right type ensures the transaction hits the proper accounts. After choosing the transaction type, fill in the details. Start with the template name so you can recognize it later. Something clear like monthly software invoice helps. Choose the template type. Scheduled runs automatically on the dates you choose. Reminder prompts you to review before posting, and unscheduled saves a ready-to-use template without a timetable. Set the interval, such as weekly, monthly, or custom days, and add a start date and, if needed, an end date or number of occurrences. Complete the transaction fields just as you would normally. Select the customer or vendor, products or services, categories, amounts, taxes, terms, class or location if you use them, and any memo or reference you want to appear each time. If you're creating something that charges a card or processes a payment, confirm you have proper authorization and that the default payment method is correct. Take a moment to review totals and accounts so the automation posts exactly as intended. When everything looks right, click the highlighted Save button to create the template. You'll return to the Templates list where you can see it active on the schedule you set. That's it. Your recurring transaction is ready to go and will save you time every cycle.